Hey guys, Ethan here from Mitten Equipment. Here's a quick tip on installing a mower deck on a BX18 series tractor. So BX1850, 1860, 1870, 1880. Other models probably apply. Basically the BX18s with the smaller tires. Throw some 2x4s underneath the tires. We're gonna throw it in four-wheel drive and drive it up there. Now, up parked on the 2x4s, we got another 1.5 inch of clearance. Should be able to get the deck underneath it a lot easier, because these are pretty much the same mower deck across all the BX tractors, and then this frame is very similar to the ones with the larger tires, so it's really not ideal putting these mower decks underneath this tractor. There's just not quite enough clearance, so we're gonna try it with these 2x4s, see if it's any easier. Well, there you go guys, just that easy. Even with the 2x4s under here, the linkages still drop far enough down where you can hook up the mower deck. You know, you don't have to do anything fancy to get the deck high enough to hook into the linkages. Basically, what we're trying to solve here is the problem that this tractor is designed to have the larger 26-inch rear tires on it and the larger front tires. I don't remember. These are 24s. They put smaller tires on the BX18 tractors. So basically that's the whole problem we're trying to solve. Put some blocks under here, and then all the linkages won't catch under the tractor. When I removed this the first time, everything was catching underneath the tractor. It was a huge pain in the butt to get it off, and just 1.5 inches extra clearance makes a big difference. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in used tractor, check out our website, mittenequipment.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video.